Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Me Plus app, and this tutorial is especially for the beginners. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you can simply download and set up your Me Plus app on your iOS or on Android device. Once you have done this, you need to simply tap on create account and simply fill up everything that the Me Plus app is asking. You need to simply choose your daily goals like sleep, exercise, meditation and stuff, and then you can simply design your routine as well. Use provided templates or build your own routine and add activities like set duration, pick icons and stuff like that. Now using Me Plus app, you can simply track habits and mood as well, like each task log when completed. The dashboard shows your completion rate versus plan. Along with this, you can use self-care features like you can integrate habit tracking with self-care, and you can also review and reflect your daily and weekly overviews. So by doing this, you can simply use your Me Plus app. You can simply use 3 to 5 daily habits for consistency, and schedule will also remind you to build routines without effort. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.